pop this off if I don't pull any nails back this time. Okay. I'm going to set this like that and I'll make a nice tray for things. And I believe it is a deep wall, 8mm for each plug wire. There is a standoff here for the spark plug coil, for the cover here. Let's see if those are 5/8. These little posts here are 5/8. Now the connectors on here aren't like the Ford ones, even though this is a Ford motor. These you just push down and they come out. I personally like the Mazda ones better. Should be an 8mm. It is. 8mm deep well. Spark plug boot. Now I mentioned this in the flex video, but it ended up getting high sped over. But if you see rusty cracks in these, you want to replace these coil packs, because that means that it is arcing downside the spark plug tube, and the result will be poor engine performance. And I just hit my head on the hood. 5/8 for the spark plug. A little bit of dirt down there. Let me get my spark plug removal tool. Spark plug removal tool consists of this rubber hose, or this foam tubing. Yeah, this is a newer style service plug, but I cross-referenced the spark plug model numbers between the Flex and this car, and they are the same numbers, so I'm not too worried about it. Alright, let's get a new plug. Snug it down. Okay. Coil back in. If we can just get that. There we go. A little bit thicker there. You want to be careful with these because just snug it. You don't want to snap the little base there. That would be kind of shitty. Just gonna. And these you want to be careful with because they're plastic. Okay.
Alright, out of gear.